Hello, today we'll review this Jumper T14. It is a new model of 24 year. So traditionally Jumper was a kind of budget alternatives that had lower quality, some maybe problems with software, but it was still flyable, it was still a good variant if you have not enough money, because it always was cheaper. Is this conclusion related to this guy? We'll check now. So please subscribe, put the like, and let's check. By the way, by the moment of recording this video, I can order it in AliExpress about $100. Comparing to Boxer, which looks pretty the same, which can be cost for me about $140. So the price is rather different. So let's go, we'll check. Okay, let's look inside, and here we've got instruction and the box. The back is rather good. Okay, that's great. Inside we've got USB, we've got neck strap, and it's short, and it's like not so good quality, and I don't think that it will fit my height. So we've got 3 spare springs. I don't know why 3, why not 4. Well, maybe they know. And the remote itself. Okay, what we've got, and it looks like the Boxer, very similar, but with some difference. So this is plastic, and here we've got joysticks. These joysticks are CNC, not plastic, but from the point of view of quality, I don't know. Well, the whole materials, maybe as usual for Jumper, does not look exciting, but they position as a lower price. Well, it's a bit cheaper than Boxer. Not so much, but cheaper. We've got here 3 buttons of control. It's a menu, left, right tab, and back. Rotate, click. We've got trims, we've got 2 position, 3 position, we've got adjustable 1, 2, and with a good center. We've got here trainer, USB, some button, don't know why, and fixed position, non-fixed position. And there is some caps, maybe you can install more switch here, we'll look at it later, and the antenna rotatable, which is rather good, and this is a plastic. Heights of these gimbals can be adjusted, but you will need special screwdriver to rotate the knob inside. And the screwdriver is not included to the set, so we'll not adjust it today. Okay, let's turn it and look more from this side. So here we've got module for bigger module, we've got a fan, we will listen to it today, and we've got a battery pack. Actually, there is good thing and bad thing. Good thing that this module is removable, so you can install here batteries, and or you can install this kind of battery, just as usual. And this one looks good, but Let me show you one thing. So there's minus here, minus here. Close it, turn it on.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning. Switch warning.
And here is the thing. Achoo! And what? Why? Again.
Welcome to HTX.
You see? It disappeared. So actually the quality of this holder is very, very bad. Maybe if I put some extra material somewhere here just to make it press, maybe it will solve the problem, but this is not good. Well, we have what we have. Let's look for other stuff. So if we compare to Radio Master, here's the AGO1 and here CNC. Well, all this material looks not as good quality as Radio Master, but it's a tradition, we already get used to it. So this one should be 1 watt, enough powerful, so let's check how the fan works.
Welcome to HTX.
And while we are looking at the fan, let's look at the menu. So to enter model menu, 1 press. By the way, it's not configured, well, it's minimal configured. When I have turned it on, only gimbals was configured and I had to enter configs all the other buttons. You should keep it in mind. And enter system menu, we've got Express, LRS and some wizard loader, don't know what it is. And if we look through, by the way, please listen. It's not so loud, but I can hear it. So, yeah, the version of HTX 210. Well, don't know, but the date is 23 December, so rather fresh. Okay, let's check more. Okay, to disassemble it you have to remove the battery block because it will block and unscrew just 4 simple screws with a cross screwdriver, and these screws are very, very simple, like old China magnetophone. So open it up, and what do we see inside? Okay, we've got connected external radio module which has aluminum rather big radiator. Hope it will be good with cooling it down 1 watt. And we've got another connector for external module. If you unplug it, please do not mix them up because they look pretty the same and I don't see any labels here. Next, this stuff, I don't know why does it need it, because I do not see any extra connectors up here. Even I don't see the places for these connectors, but I see some connectors here. Maybe it's meant for this, maybe not, I don't know. Also, what I can see is this battery, it's accessible even without disassembling, so you can see it here. Next, By the way, I don't see where is the flash memory card. Have no idea where is it. Maybe somewhere inside, maybe don't know. Next, about the gimbals. The CNC is only external part, so almost no CNC inside, and it's all plastic. On AG01, the whole body is metal and all parts are metal. So here the plastic, I believe it's more for design rather than for long life quality. And what else do I see? About adjustment. Here I can see 3 springs. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Here there is a place where the spring could be, but there is not enough parts, so comparing to Radio Master, where you can readjust one, readjust another and flip modes, here you have to reassemble it all to flip modes. So that's minus. Another stuff that you don't have limits of throttle, so you have just power of springs adjustment. So that's what I would like to tell about it all. The connection of ELRS and configuration of this remote is absolutely the same as any other HTX device with ELRS module. It has already ELRS 3 on board, so you just can enter your pairing word and that's all. So we will not keep long time on this. The only aspect that I've got is that its pre-configuration is 0. So you will have to configure your all buttons and sticks from scratch. More than that, there was 2 sticks mixed up, so you have to pay attention at it. Then all the rest is the same. And here is the same test as I have previously done with BetFPV ELRS stuff. I've got receive transmitter in my hand, I've got balcony where the receiver stays, and I will just go and will check how the signal will behave in comparing to other devices I have tested previously. By the way, if you don't see the digits on this screen, it's not because of the camera. It's really almost nothing I can see on this screen when the sun is shining. So let's go. So at this point I was usually start losing connection on other combination, but this one keeps the signal. It only once notified me that the quality of the signal is low, but it has not lost the signal. I mean, it has not lost the telemetry. So at the minimum power standard configuration, it shows itself a bit better than others. So here am I at position where when corresponding top BetFPV transmitter receiver started losing signal, and so did this one. So I have switched to maximum power to 50 Hz, and now I've got RSS minus 9495, RQ 85 or something like that. So it behaves similarly to top BetFPV transmitter. And the most far position when it started systematically losing the signal is approximately the same as the top BetFPV transmitters. So it behaves very similar. Okay, let's check if this works well and if it is easy or not to control with this one. I'm a bad pilot, so please be patient. Okay, well, even with my bad skills, I still can control it enough good. And I do like it. Enough good. So, what I can tell, and I can tell that I have managed to adapt this strap length, and well, it fits even for me. Yeah, its quality is not so good, but it hangs, I can hold it. What else do I need? And about the remote itself. More or less, it still sits in the budget set of the remote controllers. The only one real big minus of this remote is that with the full battery block, small bump will make power disconnect. It's very bad, but it can be solved by installing here just simple 2S battery, and it will work normally without any disconnection. So it's just the battery block adapter problem, not the radio itself. The rest, the quality of signal keeps the same, approximately the same as Radio Master or as Beta FPV latest models. So with the same power, at the same condition, same distance, it showed me appropriately the same results. So if you the form factor and gimbal and the comfort. As for me, it was rather good comfortable to fly on this remote. I used to fly at t-14 with such position of fingers, and this one feels enough good for me. So if you don't mind of the low quality material and this problem with battery, it's absolutely viable budget variant. So have a good day and see you next time.